hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review for you guys for this hair. This hair was sent to me by Bileaf on Amazon. This is the 10-inch passion twist. I just finished doing it and I put a little headband on and stuff like that, but I'm going to show you guys later like how it looks without it. Yeah, so this is the 10-inch. I pretty much took mousse and I blow dry and stretch it out to make it a little bit longer. So I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back here. Yeah, it's really lightweight. I've had passion twist in the past, and so far so good. I'm a big fan of it. But let me step here so you guys can see. You can see the curls are really defined right here. But I'm gonna leave all the information down in the description box so you guys can check it out. But so far so good. Like, I really don't have anything bad to say about the hair. It's in a 1B, and I wish I had like one more pack so I can get that volume, but overall, I mean, it's okay. I feel like this is a really great hair for like everyday work and stuff like that. And if you don't like hair on your face, you get heat flashes like some of us, like this is really a great hairstyle. I know my mom would be a fan of it because he has like really nice curls. But yeah, let me take down the headband so you guys can see how it looks. So let's see here. So here it is, the back, the side. I'm really liking this. Usually I get like really long hair, like 18, 20, 24 inches, but this one is actually okay. You could also tuck it behind your ear like that and just get that like little short style. Like overall, I feel like people can really think that this is your hair. But yeah, it's really cute. So I'm going to show you guys a little clip of how the hair looks when it came. It pretty much takes me like the typical 2 hours to do it. And yeah, really there's nothing more else I can say about it. Okay guys, so that's pretty much the hair. I decided to put in a little bun like this, and it looks really cute and natural. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.